SIG P210, Makarov PM, Tokarev TT-33, Desert Eagle. Glock 19, Beretta 92, Walther PPK, Browning High Power, Block 17, Colt M1911, Walther PPQ, SIG Sauer P226, Jericho 941, Luger P08, CZ75, Canik TP9, FN Browning 1900, Heckler & Koch USP, Ruger SR9, Type 54, Enfield No. 2, SIG Sauer P320, Taurus Judge, Mauser C96, Car PM9, CZVZ 52, Keltec P3AT, Walther P38, Colt Single Action Army, Daewoo K5 DP51, Type 94 Nambu, Ballester Molina, IMISP-21 Barak, CZ Shadow 2, FN Model 1910, Gerson MC-P35, Ruger GP100, Norinco QSC92, VZ-52 Pistol Family, Moss 1873, Llama 7 Llama Series, Obregon Pistol, FEG 37M, P83-1, Steyr M1912, Nambu Type 14, Canik Meat SFX, Korth Revolver, Norinco NB22, FN 509, Rodom P64, Vector Z88, Beretta 84, SIG P225, P228, Star Model B, Imbal MD1, Mauser HSC, Colt Python, FN57, Pindad G2, New Nambu post-war, Stoger Cougar, Stechkin APS, Vis WZ.35, S&T Motive K5, Versa Thunder 9, Walther PP, Taurus PT 92, CZ 52, Frommer Stop, Ruger Blackhawk, Norinco NP216, Block 26, Webley MK6, Lottie L35, Astra 400, Springfield XD, Saiji Sauer P229, Beretta M1934, FN Browning Baby, FN 1906,